Can you sing it? Can you sing it? We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you Christmas. We wish you Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Can you sing it louder?
What about Jingle Bells?
I don't want to sing Jingle Bells.
Why not?
Because I'm too busy.
You're too busy?
How about Dangerous?
No, just dangerous. No.
What do you want to sing then?
We wish you later.
Okay, can you sing that? Very nice. Can you show me your PJs? What are you wearing?
PJs.
And what are you wearing over your PJs?
A bathrobe.
A bathrobe?
A bathrobe.
And what's on your head?
Oh, my Christmas hat.
Your Christmas hat?
Yes.
What's on your feet?
Oh, slippers.
Slippers. Nice. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.